How to make image move on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate images and make them move inside your video. It's super easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first click on the import button and select the image that you want to use. For this video, I'll be using this one. So here simply select the images and just click on import, and after that you can drag them onto your timeline. And here once you have added the photos to the timeline, you can start using the first images. So here select the image in your timeline, and after that you can go to the scale and position options. So here just click on the keyframe icon to activate them, and you will now see keyframes added to your timeline. So here you can set the scale and position by increasing or decreasing it, and after that you can move to a later point in the timeline and change the scale and position in there too. And now when you play the video, the image will smoothly move and scale up between those two keyframes. And here with that you can do the same thing for the second image too. So here just go to the second images and set a keyframe at the beginning. So here you can shrink the image by dragging the corner and adjust its positions. And after that you can move to a different time and set a new keyframe with different position. For example, move the image from the top left corner to the bottom right, and just like that your image is now moving. It's really simple to make image move using keyframes, and this technique can make your videos look way more dynamic and professional. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.